Class 11th. Today we are going to start with a detailed summary of Chapter 3 Hornbill Discovering Tut. The saga continues. So, yesterday I have already told you many things about Egyptian tradition, culture, and mythology. Now we will come to know why this chapter is introduced in your syllabi. First thing, it makes you aware about the history. Then it also makes you aware. Nowadays you people are frequented with latest science and technology, but in this chapter we'll come to know that in earlier times when there were not much inventions and all, how X-ray machine was introduced and used for Tut. So the chapter starts. Tut was just a teenager when he died. He was the last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt for century. तो जब टूतन खामन की डेथ हुई तो वो एक टीनेजर ही था in between 13 to 19 and he was the last heir means उत्तराधिकारी of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt for centuries. जिसने सदियों ऐसी फैमिली को बिलोंग करता था जिसने सालों साल इजिप्ट में राज किया था. He was laid to rest, laden with gold and at last forgotten. और जब उसकी डेथ हुई तो शायद ही कोई ऐसी चीज रही हो जो सोने में बनाकर उसकी बॉडी के साथ ना दफनाई गई हो और धीरे धीरे लोग उसे भूल गए. After about 3,300 years, his tomb was discovered in 1922. People forgot. शुरू में सबको याद रहा लेकिन 3,300 years, that is very very long time. सब भूल गए और 1922 में जब हॉवर्ड कार्टर ने इस पिरामिड को खोजा तो there was a sensation. Since then, the modern world had speculated about what had happened to him. उससे पहले जिसने भी हिस्ट्री में या कहीं पर भी तूतिन खामन के बारे में पढ़ा तो वो लोग सिर्फ एक अंदाज़ा स्पेक्यूलेटेड मीन्स एक अंदाज़ा लगा रहे थे कि उसकी डेथ ऐसी हुई होगी या कि उसको किसी ने पॉइजन दे दिया होगा और मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ सम डिजीज और एक्स वाई जेड बट नो बडी न्यू द रियल रीजन बिहाइंड हिज डेथ. इट इज़ ऑल्सो थॉट दैट ही कुड हैव बीन मर्डर्ड. किसी ने सोचा उसका मर्डर कर दिया गया. It is now more than 80 years when his body was taken out of the tomb. He has undergone a CT scan. New clues about his life and death have been found. तो 1922 में कार्टर ने उसे डिस्कवर किया और उसके बाद 80 इयर्स आप ज्वाइन करके दे सकते हो कि उसकी बॉडी का CT स्कैन किया गया और उसकी डेथ और लाइफ के बारे में नई नई चीज़ें मिली. A strong dusty wind was blowing when King Tut was taken from his ancient resting place known as the Valley of Kings. It is a place near Luxor in southern Egypt. It is a place where many Egyptian kings were buried. That is why it is called the Valley of Kings. और जिस दिन तट की बॉडी को ममीफाइड बॉडी को सिटी स्कैन के लिए बाहर निकाला गया उस दिन बहुत ही धूल भरी. नाउ यू इजिप्ट यू नो इट इज़ अ डेजर्ट प्लेस सो स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स विद सैंड वर ब्लोइंग वेयर वैली ऑफ किंग्स. ये लग्जर में है. लग्जर इज अ प्लेस इन सदर्न इजिप्ट. It was 6 p.m. on January 5, 2005. So Tut body was taken for CT scan or X-ray on 5th of January 2005. So friends, you can see the time gap 1922 to 2005, almost more than 80-90 years. Dark clouds had been floating in the sky all day. Now they had covered the stars. The world's most famous mummy was put into a CT scanner. It was gilded, most of all the head. It had been brought there to know the mysteries of the young ruler who had died more than 3,300 years ago. The tomb where his mummy had been lying was discovered in 1922 by an Englishman. So जब दत्त की बॉडी को सिटी स्कैन के लिए पिरामिड से बाहर निकाला गया तो उस दिन 5th of January थी 2005 and it was evening 6 o'clock. And whole day long there were dark clouds in the sky. And these clouds now, as the sun was setting down, so they have covered the stars also. And when the Dutt's body was put under CT scan, everybody was amazed to see that the body was gilded, means जगह जगह पे उस सर में सोना लगा हुआ था, gold, and everything in the body which could be gilded or filled with it was gold and gold. So that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow.